This primering and sanding process took months and hundreds of hours of daunting work. But now that the sanding is done, we can tape off the car for paint, wipe it down with some wax and grease remover, and then finally paint the car. This is Bimini Blue Metallic, a factory Ford paint color, code K3, made for only 1 year circa 1991. I absolutely love this color. It's one of my favorites. It appears to be bright blue in low light, but has color-changing properties that make it look almost teal or turquoise in the sun. This color screams 1980s, as does the design of the Foxbody Mustang, so they go together perfectly. There's no time like now. Let's paint the car.